بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a Smarbit tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Speak. Word family, noun, speaker, speech, adjective, unspeakable, speechless, outspoken, spoken, unspoken, verb, speak, adverb, unspeakably. Word forms, third person singular present tense speaks, present participle speaking, past tense spoke, past participle spoken.
In conversation. To converse with somebody about something. Speak to somebody. She spoke to me last Monday.
Speak to somebody about something. He hasn't spoken to Asma about all this.
Speak with somebody. We did not want to speak with media.
Speak of something. It was the first time he had ever spoken of marriage. To use your voice to deliver words. I was so shocked I couldn't speak. He spoke very softly.
To have the option to talk in a specific language. Does he speak English? She does not speak a word of Persian, equals do not speak any Persian at all.
Speak at. Shafiq spoke at the teachers' annual convention. Speak to. He asked me to speak to his students about my subject. Speak in favor of / against. Only one anchor spoke against the ICL.
Speak as a parent / teacher / Democrat, etc. She emphasized that she was speaking as a private citizen, not in any official capacity. Speak well / highly / ill of somebody. His co-workers spoke highly of him. It's wrong to speak ill of the dead. Strictly / generally / roughly speaking. Strictly speaking, it's her money, not yours. She earned it.
So to speak. Used to clarify that what you are saying isn't to be seen precisely as expressed. I should not to tell you, but I will, since you're in the family, so to speak.
Speak your mind. To say your opinion about something straightforwardly. I am certainly not afraid to speak my mind.
Be not speaking or not be on speaking terms. In the event that two individuals are not talking, they do not talk to each other, usually because they have argued. She is not on speaking terms with her brothers.
Speak volumes. In the case of something says a lot, it makes an assessment, trademark, or circumstance extremely clear without the utilization of words. He said very little, but his face spoke volumes.
Speak with one voice. If a group of people speak with one voice, they all state a similar viewpoint. On this issue, our cousins spoke with one voice.
Speak the same language. If two people or groups speak the same language, they have similar attitudes and opinions. Her actions now speak the same language.
Speak out of turn. To say something when you don't have the privilege or position to say it. I'm sorry if I spoke out of turn, but I thought you already knew.
Actions speak louder than words. Said to stress that what you do is more significant and shows your aims and sentiments more unmistakably than what you say. The government needs to work on that. Actions speak louder than words.
Be spoken for. If something is spoken for, it is not available because somebody has effectively purchased or requested it. Most of the best wall panels in the exhibition were already spoken for. Collocations. In the sense of meaning. To say something that states your thoughts or viewpoints. Adverbs.
Relatively speaking. Said when you are passing judgment on one thing in examination with different things. Relatively speaking, property there is as yet cheap.
Speak well or highly of somebody. If you speak well of someone or speak highly of someone, you praise them. I always speak very highly of English languages teachers.
To speak ill of someone. If you speak ill of someone, you criticize them. It appeared he thought that it was hard to speak ill of anybody.
Personally speaking. Used when you give your opinion. Personally speaking, I think the film is going to be a great success.
Strictly speaking. Used to say that something is true if you are going to be very exact and correct about it. Strictly speaking, mosquitoes are not insects.
Broadly speaking. Used to say that something is true in the most important ways. Broadly speaking, we agree about most things.
Roughly speaking. Used for giving information that is general and not exact. There are, roughly speaking, two possible solutions to our problem.
Speak. To be able to talk in a foreign language. Do you speak Urdu?
Be fluent in something. To be very good at speaking and understanding a foreign language, so that you can speak it almost as well as your own language. Applicants should be fluent in English.
Get by to speak enough other languages to be able to buy things, ask for help, etc. What's your English like? Not great, but I can get by. I've just bought a book called Get By in Portuguese.
Have/pick up a smattering of something. To speak or learn to speak a small but useful amount of a language. While I was in Dubai, I picked up a smattering of Arabic.
Speak for someone. To state the viewpoints or wishes of somebody. Asma, speaking for the students, started the meeting.
Speak of something. To show clearly that something happened or exists. His skin spoke of warm summer days spent in the sun.
No, to speak of, also none/nothing to speak of. Very little of something or a very small thing. There's been no rain to speak of for several months.
Speak out. To publicly speak in protest about something, especially when protesting could be dangerous. About/against. 10 students who had spoken out against the principal were arrested.
Speak to somebody about something. Phrasal verb. To talk to someone who has done something wrong and tell them not to do it again. Asma was late again today. The principal have to speak to her.
Speak to. To on the off chance that something like a sonnet, painting, or piece of music addresses you, you like it since it communicates a specific significance, quality, or feeling to you. Modern poems just doesn't speak to me.
Speak to. 3 to give evidence of all comments on a subject who will speak to this item.
Speak to. 4 to talk or expound on something, particularly something that requirements examining or managing. Sadia Aslam is really qualified to speak to this issue.
Speak up. 1 used to ask someone to speak louder. Could you speak up, please?
Speak up. 2 to say something, especially to express your opinion. There was a brief silence, then I spoke up.
speak suffix. Added to other words to form nouns that mean the exceptional language of a specific business or action, particularly slang or specialized words that are hard for standard individuals to comprehend. She can't understand this computer speak. Business speak.
Synonyms of speak. 1. Verb, in the sense of talk. Definition: to say words. The Prime Minister spoke of the need for territorial compromise. Synonyms: talk, say something.
2. Verb, in the sense of articulate. To impart or communicate something in words. The actual demonstration of speaking the words gave him solace. Synonyms: articulate, say, voice, pronounce, utter, tell, state, talk, express, communicate, make known, enunciate.
3. Verb, in the sense of converse. To say words. It was exceptionally enthusiastic when we spoke once more. Synonyms: converse, talk, chat, discourse, confer, commune, have a word, have a talk, natter, exchange views, shoot the breeze, choreo.
4. Verb, in the sense of lecture. To give a speech or lecture. Last month Sadia Aslam spoke in front of 2,000 students in university. Synonyms: lecture, talk, discourse, spout, make a speech, pontificate, give a speech, declaim, hold forth, spiel, address an audience, deliver an address, orate, speechify. We hope that you have learned a lot from this video. If yes, kindly like, share, and subscribe with comment. Do not forget pressing the bell icon so that you get notification of coming videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.